Welcome back to Cooking Life with Des. Today, magluluto naman tayo ng Pansit Bihon. Ito ang ating mga kailangan. 1 medium-sized upo or bottle gourd. Is natin ito ng manipis. At syempre, 1/4 kilograms boiled chopped beef. And 3 pieces green chili, optional. 200 grams Pansit Bihon. Soak it in the water for at least 5 minutes or ibabad natin ito sa tubig ng 5 minuto. At i-cut natin, optional po siya. Kung ayaw nyo siyang i-cut, it's okay. But here, I always cut the noodles because it's too long. Binababad natin ang pansit bihon. Let us heat the frying pan and add 1/4 cup or 3 tablespoons of cooking oil. Pag mainit na siya, ilagay natin ang garlic. Here I am using garlic paste. We always actually use garlic paste so it will be more easier to use. And then add the onion. Let it get a little bit brown. Then add the sliced upo or bottle gourd. Then mix them well. Cover it for at least 5 minutes. To let it be cooked for a while. And then after 5 minutes, let's check and it will be like this. So here it seems like not cooked yet, so let us cook for 1 more minutes again and then add the beef. Here let us mix and then add all the ingredients. Sorry, I forgot to show the soy sauce. You need to add or you need to use soy sauce as well, and here I use 1/4 cup of soy sauce. And then I add chili flakes, but it's optional. It's up to you if you want. If you don't, you just can skip it. The water that you used when you boiled the beef, if that is not enough, you can add 1 more cup of water. Here, add 1 more cup of water because the noodles actually here is different. They are hard. So, I think it needs more water than usual as we do in the Philippines. I added 1 more cup of water. And all in all, I used 3 cups of water. Mix it nicely and cover it for at least 10 minutes. Then check it. Actually, the water or the timings for the cooking is depends on the kind of noodles. And this kind of noodles is a little bit tricky because it's a product of other country. Seems like a little bit hard. So I recommend that the water and the timings for the cooking is up to the kind of noodles that you are going to use. Just keep on checking. Just make sure that you will not overcook it. Thank you so much for watching. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.